read the title of this video, I just wanted to set expectations so it's not about sex. But I'm still very surprised what I discovered, and I couldn't believe how loud Swedes can be. So find out in this video where or in which situation Swedes can be very loud. If you're new to my channel, my name is Julie and I'm originally from Germany. I moved to Sweden 1 year and 2 months ago. I came here from London, UK with my British partner and my 3-year-old daughter. And now we also have an almost 5-month-old daughter. We moved just outside of Stockholm, and I basically just document my life as a foreigner here in Sweden. The highs, the lows, the fun part, the obstacles, everything you can find here, my honest opinion and my very personal opinion as well. So if you're interested in that, make sure to follow along. So in general, I would say Swedes are quite quiet. They are respectful, observant, quiet. Would you agree? Do let me know in the comments below what you think Swedes are like. And sometimes even people complain that it's really hard to make friends with Swedes because they are quite quiet and reserved. But I finally found a place where the exact opposite is the case, and I'm here to share it with you. I was definitely quite surprised and was looking around and I was like, am I still in Sweden or am I in another country? So without further ado, the place where Swedes can be really loud, drum roll, is the gym. I hope you're not disappointed now. Let me go into a little bit of detail what I mean by gym. When you go to the gym and you take a class, I don't mean the instructor is really loud, and motivating. No, I don't mean that. I mean all the other participants. And I have been to gyms before in Germany, in the UK, and I have not experienced that. The dynamic was really powerful. No one was really reserved. I think I was the one pretty shy. I mean, I also just recently signed up to a gym. I went to a few classes so far and can tell that obviously some of them are going regularly. But I was just really surprised that whilst we were working out, like doing those exercises, you can hear from left and right that people are just like, they're speaking in Swedish and I still can't speak Swedish properly. So I can only guess what they're saying, but I think it's very motivational. And they're like, you can do it and just continue. Like they're trying to be really motivating, but it's really loud and you're just trying to concentrate on your exercises and you just hear it from different people. So it's not even one person, it's a few people who basically are really loud. At the same time, I'm not so surprised because I mentioned in my previous videos how Swedes are really into sport and exercising. And it's probably a place where they feel very comfortable and they can just be themselves and there's no holding back really, especially if you have a common goal. And yeah, in terms of making friends, I think the gym is a good place as well. I attended now a few classes and I was actually approached by someone. Unfortunately, they talked to me in Swedish, and when I said I only talk English, they kind of disappeared. So I can only guess maybe their English wasn't that great, or sometimes you just have the shock of like, oh my god, now I have to dig out all my English skills, although they're probably really good in talking English. But yeah, I felt, quite not in Sweden basically. People trying to talk to me, people are really loud. That is not Sweden, or is it? I think sports really bring people together, especially here in Sweden. So if you're looking for friendships, I would say definitely take up a sport or go to the gym. It maybe takes a little bit of time. I only joined, 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I'm super new. I think you can make some connections there and even friends. So there you have it. Join the gym if you want to see Swedes being loud or if you want to make friends. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end. This was a very short video. I hope I will see you in my next video. Until then, have a great day and stay safe. Hey do!